We got to make sure our guys understand the challenge of every week, no matter whether we're at home or away. And I think that's the one thing that hopefully we can take out of last week is that, it doesn't matter. It's a new week every week. We've played over there 4 times in the last 10 years, and we've been pretty successful here in the last 10 years, as much as any program in the country. And we're 2-2 over there in the last 10 years. So if that's just not enough to open your eyes and make sure you understand, then it'll be pounded home. In 2002, we went over there and we're 14-0 and win the national championship and win on the last play of the game. So it's going to be a battle.
They do a good job of spreading the ball around and doing different things, and it's a tough offense when you do have a quarterback that can run, 2 quarterbacks that can really throw and run the ball at the same time, and kind of giving them an extra man, so to speak, to do things.
They'll keep you very, very honest in what they do. I mean, if you want to add in some of those bubbles and some of their jailbreaks as runs, then I would say they are a run-first team, because to me a lot of those things are just as good as a run. So that's probably the best thing I can say about Purdue that maybe I see from them that I haven't seen as much in the past. We know if there's any chance for us to be where we want to be in the end, we got to do a better job at obviously throwing the football. We got to do a better job at getting off the field on 3rd down on defense. So that's why we'll be out there again today and every day, and knowing to make sure we harp on the things that we need to get better at. And as long as we're all on the same page, and it comes down to what are you thinking. And as long as those guys understand that, hey, we know we need to get better, we got a chance.